A bold new player has entered Portland's Japanese dining scene, and there's already plenty of buzz. Will it disrupt the status quo, or simply add to the culinary diversity? Japanese restaurant Watami has officially opened its doors this week, taking over the storied location at 230 Commercial Street, which many locals remember as the longtime site of Sapporo. Here's what makes this opening particularly intriguing. Watami is not a newcomer in Maine's restaurant world. Its first branch debuted in the heart of downtown Brunswick back in 2021, quickly gaining popularity among locals and visitors alike. Owner Kevin Chen explains that a major reason for expanding into Portland was pressure from his Brunswick patrons, who wanted to see their favorite spot come to the city's bustling Old Port area. But here's where the story gets interesting, and maybe a bit controversial. The new Watami is stepping into a space with nearly 4 decades of history, following the recent departure of Sapporo, which had become a mainstay of Portland's Japanese food scene before moving to Falmouth earlier this year. With this shift, some fans might wonder, can Watami truly fill Sapporo's shoes, or will it chart a brand new path? For those curious about the new digs, Watami's Portland location offers seating for around 80 guests inside, in addition to an outdoor patio that fits another 20. That's about double the size of the original Brunswick space, signaling big ambitions. And their menu reflects this confidence. Expect all the favorites from the Brunswick menu, along with exclusive additions, including sizzling hibachi grill dishes. Speaking about his restaurant's philosophy, Chen highlights that Watami sets itself apart with an extensive array of specialty sushi rolls, many featuring surprising ingredient combinations that you won't find elsewhere in town. In addition to sushi, the menu features steaming bowls of ramen, colorful poke bowls, and a fun assortment of boba teas. In a twist that might surprise traditionalists, Watami has also added Cuban coffee to its drink roster, an unconventional move for a Japanese eatery. Controversial? Maybe, but it's certainly a conversation starter. As for when to visit, Watami welcomes guests 7 days a week, opening at 11:30 a.m. and closing at 9 p.m. from Sunday to Thursday, with slightly later hours until 9:30 p.m. on Fridays and Saturdays. Portland is already a hotbed of Japanese cuisine, brimming with options for discerning diners. Chen is candid. Portland definitely has a lot of competitors in the market, but we think we can bring something different to the table. So what's your take? Will Watami stand out in this crowded field, or is Portland's Japanese food scene saturated? Are you excited to see new twists, like Cuban coffee, or do you prefer a traditional approach? Let's hear your insights, experiences, and honest opinions in the comments. This could get spicy.